So there we go. And that was in my blimmin' tube. And that's what stuffs the sequins up, whānau. That's a 20-cent piece. Right there. So this is the culprit. Right there. So now I'm going to put this machine all back together. So what it is, you put that in there. That goes right there. So that's one. And then that one there goes right there. Cool. Right there. Right there. And remember, these clips here, actually, so I've got to put that on there first. So don't forget to put these clips back, because without these on there, your tube will keep coming off. So these actually keep it firmly on. So you're going to put those back on like that, that tube back on like that. One. And then you're going to tighten these up. It's pretty easy, really. And I'll tell you what, it can save you a lot of pūtea. If I had known this years and years ago, I would have just... But I'll tell you, it's amazing what you can learn these days. So, yep. So anyway, my tubes are on there now. One, tahi, and rua. So now I'm going to, where is my, and I'm going to use this tool here, tighten them up, 1 and 2, and then put the lid back on at the back, and then she's all good to go. So once this is all done, I'll put my machine back and give it a fill up, and then I'll get back to you on how it is working in progress. Kia ora.